Welcome. In this chapter, we will explore Agile methodologies, which are iterative and incremental approaches to software development. Agile methodologies emphasize adaptability, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Let's dive in. Introduction to Agile methodologies. Agile methodologies are iterative and incremental approaches to software development that prioritize adaptability, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. They promote customer collaboration, responding to change, frequent software delivery, and valuing interactions. Agile methodologies offer several benefits, including improved project visibility, customer satisfaction, faster time to market, better software quality, and enhanced team collaboration. Scrum framework and Kanban principles. Scrum is an agile framework that focuses on delivering value through short iterations called sprints. It involves specific roles such as the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team. Scrum utilizes various artifacts like the product backlog, sprint backlog, and burn-down chart. Important events in Scrum include sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint review, and retrospective. On the other hand, Kanban is a visual management method that aims to limit work in progress, WIP, and optimize workflow. It involves visualizing work using Kanban boards, setting WIP limits to prevent overloading, and promoting continuous improvement. Kanban encourages learning, innovation, and process optimization. Scrum and Kanban in practice. In practice, Scrum involves various activities. Sprint planning is a collaborative process where the team plans for the upcoming sprint. During the sprint execution, the development team works on the planned tasks. Daily stand-ups are brief meetings for synchronized coordination and obstacle identification. The sprint review is a showcase of the completed work and gathering feedback. Finally, the retrospective is a reflection on the sprint, where the team identifies improvements for future sprints. Similarly, Kanban is applied by utilizing Kanban boards for visual task tracking. The boards consist of columns representing different stages of tasks. WIP limits are set to balance workflow and ensure smooth task completion. Cycle time measurement is used to analyze task cycle times for process optimization. Continuous improvement is a key aspect of Kanban, with regular process review and incremental changes. If you found this overview of Agile methodologies helpful, please like and share this video to spread the knowledge. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on software engineering and Agile practices. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for future updates.